Hello everybody, welcome. Now today I'm going to be doing another low fresh. I haven't done a low fresh for absolutely ages. I've never had a bad recipe from a low fresh. Well, I'm obviously cooking my own, never ever. So let's try this one. And that wanted a shepherd's pie, but I've done shepherd's pie on my channel. So I thought, well, what can I do? Then I've seen this one on a low fresh. Pork. So, pork shepherd's pie. Pork what? What do you call it? I don't know. So, got myself a packet of pork. Nice and simple this, nice and easy. Got myself 2 carrots, diced up. Says leave the peels on and just wash, which I've done. I've got 2 of these. Where are they? Oxo cubes. Red wine ones. Nice. 2 of them I want. I've got a whole cheese. I've got extra mature, and I'll tell you why I've done all that in a minute. I've got potatoes, I've already got them on, getting ready, and I've got the oven warming up. Bit of salt and pepper, nice and simple. I've got 60 grams of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of mixed herbs, and 4 garlic cloves. Oh, and 300 ml of water to put my stock cubes in. Simple. So let's get cooking and I'll show you what we're going to do. Right, first things first, we're going to get the mince and the carrots. We're going to get them fried up in there first. Nice and simple. There's the potatoes cooking away. Now, I've done 2.5 kg of potatoes, and I've done a whole load of cheese because so I'm not using them all. I'm going to use half of them and half the cheese because that's going to have a haircut Thursday, so I'm going to go live and I'll probably go out and get something sweet. So what I'm thinking is I can do a cheese and potato pie and prepare it and just put it in the fridge, and when she comes back in the oven 20 minutes and it's done. So that's what I'm doing. So we're going to warm this pan up first anyway. Pan's hotting up. Going to get the mince in and I'm going to get the carrots in. We're going to mash it up. Get a mash, and we'll get all this browned up first before anything else. Right, there all the pink bits have gone out of them. I'm just going to drain the fat. There's not much fat there actually, to be honest with you. Not a lot at all, but I'll drain it anyway. Drain it in there. I had a comment the other week saying don't put it down the sink there. No, it goes in there and into the saucepan. So we'll drain all that off, and while that's sitting there on the side, I want to get my garlic in, fry that for about 10 seconds. Then I want to get my mixed herbs in and my tomato puree, and then I want to get me stock in, which I've put in the water. It's quite simple really. You get that mixed together, and it also says, which I forgot, a teaspoon of sugar. They just say sugar, it doesn't say what sugar. So I'm just going to use brown. Teaspoon of sugar. Give it a mix. Get your stuff back in. Get it covered up, and then let it simmer and simmer down for a few minutes until it's your consistency, I suppose. There we go, we'll let that do its thing for a few minutes. There's no Worcester sauce or anything going in it. As I say, follow the instructions. Right, that's done. It's looking quite nice. There it is. Potatoes are done as well. I haven't tasted anything yet. So I'm going to put that in a bowl, in an oven proof one. Half it on the side, why not? Smells nice, smells really nice. leave that to the side and mash the spuds. Don't know if you can see it alright. Put some butter in. I'm going to put a bit of salt, more salt in for the taste on the spuds. You probably can't see it with the steam. A bit of pepper. Put the lid on for a minute to melt that butter. I don't think you couldn't see that because of the steam. I don't know if you can see it now. Just mashing away. I'm going to put a little bit of cheese in. Not a lot because you want some on top as well. It's called, I just looked at it, it's called pork and creamy cheese pie. That's what they call it. So mash all this together, like so. And now, just pile it on there. So I'm not having all of it, because that's going to have some. And I'm going to get the rustic look as well. And just sprinkle some cheese on top. Simple, ain't it? Absolutely simple. Then it's got to go in the oven then for... just as it goes brown, 20-25 minutes I think it says. Until it's crispy and brown. There's that one. And there's loads left there, look, trying that for Thursday. Which I'm going to prepare while that's in the oven. 220 degrees, it says. It's ready, I'm going to get it out. Turn the oven off. Oh yes, that looks nice. Hot. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, look at that beauty. That looks nice, doesn't it? Oh, it smells delicious. Oh yes, I'm looking forward to that. And there's nuts, I just prepared it. Obviously it ain't ready yet. A bit more cheese on top on that, and then in the fridge. She can put some more cheese on it when she cooks it. In the air fryer for 10 minutes or so. And she's done for Thursday. So I'll let that cool down. Then we'll dish it up and we'll have a taste. Right, I'm up the table. Is that the dog? He's trying to come in. Let me show you. Ugh. There we go. Looks really nice, doesn't it? Let me see the cheese under there, if you can see it properly. It's like gooey cheese underneath. Looks really yummy. And we've had a bit of greens for the content, like it shows you in the picture. Right, let's dish some up and have a look. If I can grab it. I don't know how gooey it's going to be in the middle, but we'll find out. Apparently what I've done here, it makes 4, so I didn't think it would, but it looks quite big, doesn't it?
Smells nice.
It smells really nice. Let's see if I can get it round. It's hot. Still warm. I don't think I'll get it out like that, or I might. Up. Let's put it down.
Oh, thank you.
Ooh. Let me do mine. Then I'll show you. I wouldn't eat that yet. It's going to be spoily. You're going to get burnt belly. I'm starving.
It's gravelling.
And there's mine. You can see. Stomach's growling.
It's growling.
It looks quite nice actually. Let me show you now it's on the plate. There's the inside of it. Look, if you have a look. Looks nice, doesn't it? And it is on the plate. There's Nat's tucking in. She's even eating her greens for a change. What do you think?
It's really nice.
It's really nice.
Yeah, I love it. It's really nice.
Is it really? Yeah, I haven't had a Hello Fresh for a while. I haven't made one. It's called, yeah, what did I say it was called? Pork and cheesy mashed pie. That's what they call it. So not a cottage pie, but it's like a cottage pie, isn't it? Or shepherd's pie, but with pork.
It's really nice.
Let's try some of that cheesy mash.
That mash is lovely.
Oh yeah.
So nice.
Oh,
so
that
good.
extra mature cheese does it a good one, doesn't it?
I love cheesy
Yeah.
mash.
You've got that for Thursday up there, look. You only got to put it in the air fryer.
That's my favourite, that is.
And I'll put a picture of what the other one looks like. And it looks about perfect because there isn't much juice and there isn't much juice here either. Which is about perfect on the picture. Oh yes.
Their recipes have been nice.
They have been nice. All of them. Yeah, all of them. Everyone I've cooked.
I think if you get the ingredients yourself, because people said that.
Yeah, people say they have problems with their ingredients, don't they? And if you get it yourself, it works out a lot cheaper, doesn't it?
It's really nice as well. Nice warm dinner.
Oh, that's really nice, that is. Oh, I'm enjoying this. And that red wine stock takes it to another level. I got the OXO one. I did do a Tesco one as well. It's about 70p cheaper. But I thought I'd get the proper OXO one. And just see. I don't know whether it's any difference with the Tesco one because I've never had it, but...
Delicious.
Oh, God, yeah, I could eat this more and more, can you? And it would definitely serve 4, let me show you. I mean, we haven't even had half of that, really. You could probably get another 4 small portions out of that. You'd probably, I mean, you can have another 2 big ones or some small ones. But yes, gone. Still got loads left of mine. I'll show you that cheesy mash if I can. Oh yes. And if you've got an air fryer, you didn't even have to stick it in the oven. Put it 24, you could have put it in the air fryer, couldn't you, have to crunch up. But that's, There's loads more there for later, Bab. Or now. Whichever one you're having. Think of my eyebrows. Didn't get them that bloody hurt, I know that much.
The other bits work though.
Huh? The other bits work, my arms and that, yeah?
Not your chest. That don't really work.
My arms works. I think it's because you never went against the hair, is it?
On your eyebrows, I don't think I did, but...
No, I think you just went. Good job as well, it'd probably hurt even more.
It don't matter, does it?
But no. Anyway, there we go. Yeah, Nat's having a haircut Thursday. What time you got it? 1 o'clock?
1:45, yeah.
1:45. So what I'll probably do while she's having her hair done, I was going to go to Birmingham to this wing yip. But I've had a look online, you can't record in there, so it's going to be a waste of time. People have been kicked out for recording, so I'm not going to go attempt it.
Couldn't you go to the market instead?
There's no point, is that I wanted to go wing yip.
True.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and have something to eat. I'm going to have something to eat while she's having her hair done. I'll do a live stream. So it'll just be me. And
yeah, you can bring me a coffee.
Bring you a coffee. Can bring her a coffee. So yeah, she's got her hair done about 1:45. I think she said 1. I'll probably go live about 1 Thursday. So if you're available Thursday afternoon about 1 o'clock, I'll go live. This was gorgeous, weren't it? Really nice. Maybe a little bit more salt, but it's each preference, isn't it? But there we go. I say I am the old food guy. I've got a name change coming soon. It's gonna be no different. It's just gonna be me. No difference whatsoever. Just a different name. That's all. More reflect what I do in the kitchen. So until the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.